Hello doctors, welcome to Cerebellum Academy. So here is your daily dose of NEET PG 2025 round 3 update. So as we all know, MCC had declared the round 3 and it is commenced from 15th of January and it will last till 29th of January. So among all these things, again MCC has released the updated virtual vacancy round 3 seat matrix. Now what is this updated virtual vacancy round 3 seat matrix? That is, again many of the colleges have released the vacant seats. We are giving the link below, so please go check out about this virtual vacancy round 3 updated seats. So multiple institutes have given out multiple vacancies in multiple branches, which include your clinical as well as non-clinical branches. So once you go to the seat matrix, you can see there are so many colleges and so many vacant seats. Along with that, the category is also mentioned. So please check which branch, which college and which category is present, and then you can do your choice filling according to that. So NEET PG 2025 candidates, go check out the virtual vacancy now and according to that do your choice filling for round 3, and all the very best. Thank you.